Ganyan ang pag sayop na mo. Video.
Pero makasama ka na. Oo, makasama.
Take two.
Take one.
Take. Action! Hello everyone, today we are going to have our first circuit design.
Cut.
Ano ba nung tulog ko? Sige. Tarong ang kanina, bay. Tarong nga. Kaya nag-reply ka niyo. Sige. Ayun o. Uy, I love her. Uy, naunsa man ka.
Ay, nagdaro. Ay, ano po?
Uy, ayun ko. Meron mo ay.
Sige na, go.
Hello everyone, today we are going to have our first circuit design. And today is also our power up. First, we have our power supply, our voltmeter, and our breadboard. And since we don't have a on our power supply, we are going to use the voltmeter to make sure that the reading for the voltage is correct. Negative. Positive will be positive. Terminal.
Okay na namin.
Agay, gidok.
The power supply for the breadboard that I am going to test this day is 16 volts. So we are going to set the power supply to 16 volts.
Ano?
Abot na lagi nag 1,000.
Uy, 1 million na.
After high school.
Okay. Fine, fine. Okay.
In our circuit design, we have the capacitors for the delays of our LEDs. Connect the positive terminal to the positive terminal of the breadboard and negative to the negative. Be sure to ground the LED. And also, be sure to have the right polarities for the capacitor. Because you don't want to blow up. Now, we are going to connect the negative terminal to the negative terminal. Positive to the positive terminal. Now, let's see if this works out.